I just wanted to show off my TV. Here's my TV. Here's a little Android device. Holds 32 gigs. I have this coming through here so it can hold my mouse so I can do this. But that's not the cool part I want to show you. This here is my tablet. As you can see, wait a second, I have to connect. So connect. So from my tablet to my TV. Yeah, I want to watch a movie. Think I'm gonna watch Timeline. So. And that's how I control my TV with my tablet.